What's up, guys? Welcome back. So this is the crypto portfolio. I didn't even realize that Bitcoin has been going up because I've been dollar cost averaging into my taxable portfolio, which I'll show you. But take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin last price 33,000. We're up 31%. We have a total of $1,500 invested, and our cost basis is around 25,440. So Bitcoin up at 33,000. All of that dollar cost averaging has been. Look at this. So my last purchase of Bitcoin was on September 9th, and I bought around 26,000. And I always tell you, with Fidelity, you have to put limit orders in, because otherwise, if you do market buy, it's going to fill you much higher. So I've been doing just, short, small purchases, $250 here and there. And this is just dollar cost averaging, which is really nice. And as you can see, Bitcoin is 51% of my portfolio with Ethereum. So it's starting to add up. We're starting to get some nice movement, but look at these gains, pretty good. 76% on this one. And moving to the second page, 75% gains just off $100. So that's pretty big. A $100 investment has netted me $75 gain. So it is really starting to grow, and you can see $37, $13, $23, $69, $84. Dollar cost averaging, buying at the low, is making a big difference. Now let's take a look at Ethereum, and let's just break it down. Take a look at this. Ethereum cost basis, $1,750. It's 48% of my account. And although I have more money in Ethereum, it's only up total of 5% at $89. But I've been dollar cost averaging $250 at a pop, which you can see on the right, which I'm highlighting. And my last purchase was September 20th. So I do need to start buying more. When I add more, it's going to go to Ethereum because Bitcoin has been up so much. I'm not going to buy the highs because I'm buying for long term. Now, do I think it's going to go up over time? I have no idea. I don't even really know what Bitcoin and Ethereum really are. I just buy long term, and I'm just going to hold it for many years, and we'll see what happens. But overall, this shows you dollar cost averaging. I'm making an overall positive on the account, $555, which is nice. Now, this is my fun account. I'm not going too hard in this account, 1 to 2% of the portfolio, not even, to be honest, if you look at my total portfolio. But I want to have at least some skin in the game in case Bitcoin ever does go up to 100,000. I want to start building a position, and I'll sell out if it gets to 100,000 or 200,000 cost basis, which is crazy to even say, because who knows if it'll ever even get there. Because I don't even know what drives Bitcoin. I don't know what drives Ethereum, but I want to have some skin in the game. And I think it's good to have a little bit of everything. So let's look at the chart. Let's just see where it's at. Let's see if we can find a resistance level. So right now you can see that Bitcoin is trading at 32,200, and it had a nice run up, obviously, up to 35,000. But with this strong pullback, this bull flag moving up, and now it is consolidating. We'll have to see where it goes. But let's just look at the 5-year chart. Looking at the 1-year chart, you can see we broke a critical level, which is really nice. Let me just see if I can add it. I've never used this charting before because I'm using Bitcoin. So just bear with me while I try to find out how to actually draw lines on this. So take a look right here. Because Bitcoin has broken this level, this is actually very strong and bullish momentum because we broke this nice resistance level. So that's very solid. But looking at the 5-year chart, it still has a long way to go, because just because Bitcoin is breaking above 33,000, we need to move basically all the way up in this consolidation zone at 45,000. What the heck is this? Hold on. So basically on that technical chart, we got to get above that 45,000. And right now you have a nice bullish candle. So it is possible. We'll see if we can start moving and heading up to 40,000. If we can break that psychological level of 40,000, we'll probably make a move up to 45,000. But overall, to make moves up here to get up to 60, it's probably going to be a year or two. Can't imagine Bitcoin's going to move that high, but I wouldn't doubt it, considering just look at 1-year movement all the way down from 17, doubled up to 34,000. But there's not much buyers right now. Look at this thin candle from 33,000 all the way up to 34,000. So if you're a buyer up here, you might be holding for a while, because look how thin that's been. But we'll see overall. Bitcoin likes to surprise people. But it's nice to see some recovery, but I wouldn't be surprised if it can't hold this 30,000 level. It's going to start pulling back. So it's definitely something to look into if you are trying to day trade this position.